Right, today. Right, so today, this is the second part to the other Swedish torch thing. This is going to be the rocket stove type. So I've got my spade ending bit, haven't we, Noe? Good butties out there, look. And we're going to drill down here and then drill about there, leaving that much off the floor, yeah? Look, what? Oh yeah, boy! And then we're going to drill down there, so let's do this. Can you hold it? Good lad. Just like that, boys. Right, there we go. Right, turn it upside down. Get it all out. Turn it upside down. Right. There we go. Right, now you have to do it all through there. Right through there. Are you ready? Reese, look at that. Look at that. Look. All through there, look. Could have been a bit bigger. Hold it chopped, look. Right. And now we're going to put 4 screws in here, or whatever you want. Nails. And the reason for that is put one there, one there, one there, one there, put your pan on it. And then you can cook whatever you want. And I've got a splinter right up my nail. Look, it hurts. Come on, let's go. Look at that, voila. Let's do this, schnizzles. Come on in. Right, we're off.
Let's go!
Yeah, boy, here we are.
Come on, Dave, 1, 1, 1.
What's it? See, go on.
Come on, beat that there.
Camera, look. Ready? Let's take one. Look, there she is.
Money.
Now you keep your dog fit, boys. Now you keep your dogs fit.
Yeah.
We have reached our destination. Hey, come here, no, come here first, Noe. Come here. Now let's start. If you remember, where that's at, Noe? A few, well, it was months ago actually, that we come down woods and I made that Tarzy there. Didn't we, Noe? Good one, say. Get fit, get him fit. Breed you this year. Breed you? Yeah, 2 minutes and then we made that Tarzy, didn't we? Come here a sec, look, let's just talk to these. Look, come here a sec, bring it over here, show them. We made that Tarzy, so he could come down here and play and stuff. So now we brought them and we're going to have, well, he's brought his dinner down the woods. Nobody here, that's how we like it, innit? No people, Noe, no people. Right, come on, he's going to have a go at this. Here's no Tarzy. 1, 2, 3. Meow. Say, peace of mind, peace of mind. Yeah, man. Right, so, got a bit of wood here. We're going to put it in here. And I'm going to cheat to, oh, well, I put a little hole in there and all, look, to let the air draw through. But I'm going to cheat today, put a bit of fire lighter in the bottom, just to get it going. Just, shut up, say. Just to get it going, because I'm starving and want hot dogs. Do you want hot dogs, Noah? Do you want hot dogs or burger? Burger! Right, come on, burgers, let's do it. I'm going to put a bit of firelight in there, get some kindling, little dry sticks like this, and I'll show you. Right, there's one going. Look at that, there's one going. Now let's get this bad boy going. This is a big one. Yeah, boy, let's do it. Come on in. Look at that, it's doing it well, look at that. Get pan on top of there. Come on in. Right. Look, got this cooking set. Open that, boy.
Pan.
Come on and get it out. Let's have a look, open it up. No, open it up like that, look. Press that. Right, open it up now. Let's have a look. cooking set. Let's see if it does out. I bought it for camping last year and that, but I didn't get around to it. But look at that going now, look at that. Ready to go, come on. Right, good luck. Put it out then. What's that, a loofah? Oh yeah, give it out then. Starving here. Come on, hot dogs and that, bro, come on. No, you can't do it. Look at this, boys, look at this. It's working, it's blooming working. Look at that, look at that. Oh yeah, come on, Avril. Right, let's get some of these Frankfurters on, look. £1 from corner shop. Genuine German. We're going to eat German sausages. Come on. And would you look at that? Look at that. The Swedish fire torch. Look at it burning. What do you reckon, Noe? Nice? More sausages. Right, 2 minutes then. Look at that burning. Look at that burning away, boys. Look at it burning away, boys. Hot dogs. Look at that. Yeah, boy. Swedish fire torch. The other one, it worked perfect, but it just fell apart when it was like too burnt. This one is lasting. Look at that bad boy. Come on. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Not better. This is the best antidepressant in the world. In it, bro. Look at this. Look at this. Oh yeah, boy! The Swedish rocket fire stove thing's going. Look at that, boy. Yeah, boy. Right, hot dog time. Oh yeah, hot dogs for dinner. Right, hot dogs with nectar. Next, burgers. Don't know how this is going to go. Never done it. Gonna just whack these in there and whack that on there with a little bit of water and see what happens. But look at this, I'm impressed with this Swedish torch, whatever it's called. Look at that. Look at that, boys and girls. It is brilliant. I love it. Look at that. It's working a treat. We'll be back. What do you think? Nice steak? Nice steak? Good girl. Gonna breed you. Gonna puppet. Hey, sit. Sit. Do you want to go lamping? Hey, sit. Go lamping. Go lamping. Yeah, man, we're going lamping. Are you ready? Go on then. When? Keyboard. Look at him go. Whoa. Yeah, boy. Go on, Noe. That's my boy.
Go on, son.
Meow. Right, Noe, what are we doing now? What are them? Marshmallows. Get them done then. I'm okay for now. Go on and put it over there. Look at that rocket stove going. Well, I call it a rocket. It's a Swedish fire torch. Look at that. Yeah, look at it. It's doing a good job. I like it. The other one, it worked, but it fell apart soon. So I'd definitely go for this one. Drill it all through the top, then drill it all through the side. Look at that. It's just burning out. It's been a good, was it, hour and a half now? We've had some burgers, sausages, and now Noah's doing his, what are they? Marshmallows. What? Oh yeah, we've got some more and all, haven't we? So we're just doing that. Come on then, boys. Look at that. No better for the mind. This is your antidepressant, people. Come on, look at that. Look at that. We love it. Reach, we had a good day, haven't we, Noe, son? Had a good day? Yes, man. Right. It's getting dark now. Wait there, son. Let's put this on here. It's getting dark now. Very, very dark. So, what we're doing? We're going. God, yeah, I'm taking you home and I'm going, yeah, man. So, are we ready on the monkey bike, everybody? Oh, turning that way.
Do that there, man.
That'll be alright. What? Right, are you ready?
We're both going to do it.
Right, rev it. Right, watch. Wait there, watch, people. We've got neons, look. Yeah, look at that. Oh, you turned it off nowhere. Right, 2 minutes. There we go, look at that, boys. Yeah, boy. GT125. Headlight out front. Keep it revving, son. You're right, we're going anywhere. Right, we're going. Come on then.
See the level on that.
Are you ready? Let's go.
Hello.
Yeah, hey, go see.
See like.
Whoa, stump. If you go down in the woods today, what hey?
Dad, what about putting them down the other chair? That's thinking.
You're right.
Why are you doing that fast?
Right, that's Steve. Where is she? There she is.
They can get all. They bananas.
You reckon? Let's do it, huh?
No,
Oh, she's after her. She's got it glad, see? She was after a rabbit, son. Go on, see? Go on, see? Get it, son. Hey, Dave. He's going down there, son. She'll catch us up. Won't she? There she is. There she is. Rabbit eating dog. Come on, see. Come on, see. There she is. There she is. Go on then, good luck. There she is, the Benny with me calling Greyhound. Go ahead, Go ahead. Yeah, bye. Right. There she is. Thanks for watching. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.